Welcome to Macmo Academy. Dear students, in this video we will understand that how to solve simultaneous equations by using matrix method. We also call this method as matrix inversion method. So first of all, let's say we have a question in which there are two linear equations given. So we have two equations. First one is 2x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Second one is 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. So we have these two equations. There are two unknowns x and y. So we call this particular as simultaneous equations, because we will involve both the equations in our solution and then we will find the value of x and y. And in this video we will understand it how to solve them by using matrix method, or what we call it as matrix inversion method as well. Why? So let's see why we called it matrix inversion method. We will find out over here. So in the solution, when you do this particular topic, the first step is to write three matrices, and those three matrices are of coefficients, variables, and constants. So before writing the matrices, we need to understand one thing, that our equation should be in this form, in the way the second equation is written. So first of all, you need to make your first equation correct, and you should write it like this, make things more easy. So now you will use this equation and this equation to make matrices. So as I said, there will be total three matrices. So for coefficients, you will have a matrix 2, 1. So first equation coefficients, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, 2 and 1. Because it is written y, so what does it mean? That the coefficient is 1. And second equation, coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is 2. So this is your matrix of coefficients. Now you will write the matrix of variables, which are x and y. So this is the method. You will write it like this. As constants are after equals to, so you will write equals to over here, and the constants matrix will be 1 and 4. So this is how we will make three matrices from our given equation in this particular method. Now what you need to do in our question, in this particular question, we need to find the value of x and y. So this particular matrix is actually multiplying here over here, so it will go there and divide, so that this matrix will be isolated. So to make it isolated, you need to move this coefficient matrix over there and it will divide. But as you know, we have discussed this in our previous videos, that there is no particular division in matrices. We will do instead of that inverse. So when we will write this particular in division, we will write it like this. So xy will remain over here, and when this matrix will go there, we will write it as inverse. Now one thing which is very important over here, you can understand it by writing it in general. Let's say this matrix is A, this matrix is X, and this matrix is B. So to find the matrix X or the variables, you need to move A over there and it will divide, and instead of writing it in divide, you will write it like this. And be careful about it, that you will write the inverse matrix first and then you will write the constant matrix. Why? Because in multiplication of matrices, order matters. So if you will write B into A inverse, that will be something else. So you need to be careful in this particular method over here in this step. Otherwise everything is very easy and you have already done this already individually, like you already know how to find the inverse, but you already have done the multiplication of matrices. But over here you need to understand this thing, that you will not write it like this, you will write it like this, right? So that's where the inverse matrix will come first. Now our target is to find the inverse of this particular matrix, and you already know that how to find the inverse of matrix. And if you don't know, you can visit our channel and you can watch the video of it. It's already there in the channel, that how to find the inverse of a matrix. So let's see that first find the inverse of this particular matrix. So to find the inverse of this particular matrix, what is the method of finding the inverse of a matrix? Adjoint upon determinant. So first of all, find the determinant of it. So the determinant of this matrix is 2, 1, 3. So what is the formula to find the determinant? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. So A multiplied by D will be 2 2s are 4. 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3. So the determinant of this particular matrix is 1. Now what is the adjoint of it? The adjoint of this matrix is, you will swap the diagonal elements. So they are already same, so after swapping it will remain as it is, and you will change the signs of the other two elements of the matrix. So this is the adjoint. Now the good thing over here is that the determinant is 1, so if you will divide anything by 1, it will not change. So it means that the inverse of this particular matrix is 2, 2, minus 1, minus 3. Now you need to multiply this matrix by this matrix, and you all know when you multiply, you need to multiply the row by the column. So when you multiply this row by this column, you will get 2 1s are, now I am doing the solution over here. So 2 1s are 2, and one row will multiply with one column and will give you only a single element. So minus 1 multiplied by 4 will give you minus 4. Similarly, minus 3 multiplied by 1 will give you minus 3, and 2 4s are plus 8. And after solving, you will get 2 minus 4 as minus 2, and minus 3 plus 8 will be 5. So on the left hand side, it was the matrix of variable, which is x, y, and on the right hand side you have the matrix which is minus 2, 5. And according to the rule or the operation of equality of matrices, you can compare these two matrices, and by doing it you will get the value of x and y. So as it is written equals to in between, so corresponding elements will be equal to each other. So x will be equal to minus 2 and y will be equal to 5. So we have x is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5. This is the solution of this particular question. So this is how we do matrix inversion method to solve the simultaneous equations. First of all, we need to write three matrices: matrix of coefficients, matrix of variable, and matrix of constants. But before starting, you need to make your equation in this form, that the constant should be after equals to, and then you will move, or directly you can find the inverse of the coefficients matrix, and you know how to find the inverse, adjoint upon determinant A. So over here, if your determinant is coming 0, let's say right now it is coming 1, but if your determinant of this matrix is coming 0, you will write it is not possible, or there is no solution of these two equations. Okay, but over here we were having the inverse of this matrix, so we have calculated the inverse, and after finding it we multiplied it with this matrix, and finally we get the answer of x and y by using the concept of equality of matrices. Over here I told you one thing which was very important, that when you will multiply it, you will be careful with the sign, with the order, that the inverse matrix will come first and then the constant matrix will come. So this is how we do solution of simultaneous equations by using matrix inversion method. In our next video, we will cover that how to solve the same topic by doing Cramer's rule. So this will be the next topic of our video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query, you can ask us in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.